Right now, AI is doing everything. It's writing books, it's coding apps, and it's even planning your next vacation better than you ever could. And are you still stuck deciding which GPT model to use? Then you are at the right place. Let's talk about the top 3 AI trends that are changing everything in the world right now. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where I keep you updated and entertained about the wild world of tech and AI. If you like your memes along with your technological learnings, then you are at the right place. And let's not waste any time and get into the biggest tech trends and AI breakthroughs you need to know right now. And getting into the list, at number 1, we have next generation AI models. Okay, let's start with the biggest question everyone's asking right now. What's up with the AI models? We have got GPT-5 from OpenAI, Claude Sonnet 4 from Anthropic, and Gemini Flash from Google. So these are still the top 3 leaders in the AI space right now. GPT-5 is the latest brainchild of OpenAI. Compared to GPT-4, it is more precise and better at understanding your instructions and also supposed to run a lot faster. It is great at writing complex writing tasks and coding and programming exercises, and it also more involved when you are trying to solve logical problems. At the end of the day, it's still an AI and it still makes mistakes, and I have my personal experience with GPT-5 where it went off tangents and it gave me a made up stuff, but I think it got better when compared to GPT-4. Next we have got Claude 4 from Anthropic. And compared to GPT, Claude 4 is more thoughtful and more polite. It's more human-like. And the emotional IQ of Claude 4 is richer compared to GPT. And some people even say that Claude gives you hot soup when you're fallen sick. And then there is Gemini, Google's big player in the AI space. Google Gemini is designed for multitasking across text, images, and even audio. It is more powerful and more deeply integrated with Google's ecosystem. So if you are someone who uses most of the Google apps and wanted AI to be integrated with Gmail, Docs, and even Google search history, then Gemini will be your best digital friend. But at the end, the question still remains, which AI model is best for you? It all depends on your use case. So if I have to summarize, then GPT-5, it's very good at complex writing tasks and even solving logical problems. And also if you want to have longer conversations, it's very good at that. And Claude Sonnet 4, it's more thoughtful, more emotionally mature, and it gives good responses for sensitive topics. And surprisingly, it's very good at coding if you're working with GitHub Copilot or even Cursor AI. And coming to Gemini, it's more multimedia savvy, like it works very well with images, audio, and even videos. If you're someone who is into the Google ecosystem, then Google Gemini can help you very much. And yeah, at the end of the day, it's kind of like picking your favorite superheroes. So who do you like more, like Batman or Iron Man? So at the end of the day, they all have like the same goals and they achieve the same thing by smashing the villains in their head. So all these AI models are also trying to do the same thing, but depending on the use case, pick something which works well with you. It's awesome that we have choices. So if that doesn't work out, you can always pick the other one. Alright. For trend number 2, we have AI agents and automation. AI is no longer just answering your questions, it's actually doing stuff for you. So we are talking about AI agents like Devin, AutoGPT, and a whole other bunch of AI agents that are popping up all over the place. So what exactly are these AI agents? So these are nothing but super intelligent chatbots that, or we can say digital assistants that can help you with taking in the instructions, whatever you give them, and creating tasks out of it. And they can run these tasks on some websites or like some coding apps or even in your file system, wherever you give access to them. These aren't your regular chatbots. They can actually read your emails, draft responses, book your flights, or even manage your spreadsheets, or even write some parts of code for the apps, or even some cases, some of the agents like Devin can even code an entire app for you, all while maybe you're binging Netflix or like maybe you're taking a nap. So everything can be done using several different kinds of AI agents that are like popping everywhere right now. This is huge because these AI agents can be used not only just for information retrieval but also to outsource a piece of job or like your daily life even. Imagine telling an AI agent to update your spreadsheet for my budget or to email my boss politely on why I'm late, or in some cases you can even order some kind of food based on your dietary restrictions, and you can even book the nearby salon appointment based on my schedule or like my calendar. Everything is possible with these AI agents. And let me show you how powerful these AI agents can be. One of the biggest headlines these days is Devin, which is an AI agent which can take your high-level instructions and build software end to end. So instead of hiring a freelance developer, you can just use Devin to build an app for you, and it might just do it everything for yourself. So let's be honest, it might still give you some problems. Let's say with the login page, it might not come up with the best design or like the best solution which you ever had. But still, it can give you most of the app and you can work on top of it, even with other AI stuff like Cursor or using GitHub Copilot, etc. But there is a flip side. People are nervous about getting their jobs automated, and some people are worried about handing over stuff to AI without any human checks. And also, we can be rely on AI agents with sensitive data, and are they safe enough to be trusted with this kind of data about like anything which about you or yourself? So this much of data, is it good to give to an AI agent? Either way, AI agents or like automation is like the hottest trend right now. And if you're, let's say, a developer or a marketer or even someone who just wants their life a bit easier, then it's worth keeping an eye in this space. Either way, let's be honest, if AI can do some of my tasks or like even let's say do my taxes, then that's the future I'm ready for. Okay, now let's talk about trend 3, which is AI plus creativity. You know, nowadays AI is getting seriously artsy. We are seeing tools like Sora from OpenAI, which can generate videos from text prompts. Imagine typing a sci-fi cityscape with neon lights, flying cars, and dynamic music, and it just creates a video that exactly looks like it's from a scene of a blockbuster movie. And let's be honest, nowadays there are some of the movies where they are using some shots from videos generated from using AIs. It's not just Sora, there are other tools like Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Kyber, which can help anyone to generate such kind of videos using AI without ever touching a camera. But it's not just creators. AI is being used by musicians. So musicians are using AI like Suna AI or Audio to generate different kinds of music based on some lyrics or like few lines of lyrics and some musical ideas. Of course, there is a twist. With the AI generated videos, there is always a problem with the deep fakes. So we never know, or like it's very hard for us to know if the famous video or like the viral video, is it really happened in the real life or like it's some kind of an AI generated video.
Cedar Grove flood disaster. Just kidding. I'm not real. This is Dana Brooks reporting live from Ocean View Beach. Just kidding. I'm not real. This is Charlotte Reed reporting live from Clearwater Beach, where an unidentified... Just kidding. I'm not real.
Even there are like some of the celebrity videos, DeepFakes accounts which are like acting like celebrities but they are not. And also even government is getting little worried about the video evidences and misinformation regarding like the generated videos. But regardless, AI and creativity is one of the most exciting areas right now, and it is opening up new possibilities for artists, for business owners, and for even individuals who are interested in generative AI, who uses it for experimentation and even for having fun. It's getting pretty wild in the AI space right now for it regarding the artists and creators. But the tools are getting more powerful, much faster, and more accessible to everyone. And let's not forget about some of the memes that are getting famous in TikTok and Instagram with AI. So those were three of the biggest AI trends that were happening right now, from next generation AI models to the agents that can automate and handle your tasks to in some of the creative fields like art, music, and video generation. So it's honestly wild out there in the AI scope. But these were not the only trends that were happening right now. In this year or like in the early next year, there were some of the AI trends that are like personal AI companions and even AI trust and regulations from the government. This is also happening. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and get entertained along the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to mention in the comments which section of the trend which you are most excited about, and is there any tool which you're already using. So let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and have fun.